Hey friends, Irene's behind the camera dancing. It's pretty funny. You're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. And
I'm Irene.
And Irene's going to be helping me can up some potatoes. Potatoes, you say? Yeah, potatoes. You know, we can get 10 pounds of potatoes for the same price that I pay for 3 or 4 baking potatoes. The problem is we don't have a really good place to store them, so they tend to dry out and start spoiling. So far, I've peeled the potatoes, washed them, diced them up into 1/2-inch cubes, rinsed them again. I actually stored them in the refrigerator overnight. Put them into this pot with fresh boiling water. They're going to cook for 10 minutes, which is about another 5 minutes. We'll be putting them into some hot jars. I'm not going to use any of the water from this pot. It's really important because you don't want to be taking the starch from the water and putting it into the jar. The reason why that's an issue is because if you use that water, it's going to create an opportunity for bacteria to grow. And we don't want that. The reason why it's going to create that opportunity is because there's no guarantee that the product is going to heat all the way through uniformly. And that's the whole deal. Our pressure canner is up to speed. I have 4 jars in the back ready to go. I have hot water that's going to be used to top up those jars. Irene's going to be helping me with this. So we'll be getting going here in about another 4 minutes. Zoom, zoom, zoom. A watched pot never boils.
Oh, I was just reading the label. It's written in English. In French, I don't know what the other one is. Top one is English. It's really hard because the X's and I's sort of blend together. And you're like,
I don't know. Now the way we'll be doing this canning is I'll be putting the potatoes into the jars. Irene will be topping them up with water right by the canner and then putting the jars in the canner. It'll go pretty quick, and then it's just time for the pressure canner to come up to temperature, allow the steam to come out, and then time for 35 minutes. I think I'm going to turn the vent hood on.
I would leave it on for now, yeah. Because we can't, it's too hot outside.
It's too hot inside.
Well,
I've just turned off the burner on this range. There's so much metal that retains the heat that this is still continuing to boil. It's time. Ow, 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 ow. Behind you with a hot pot. Behind you with a hot colander. Okay, I'm going to start filling.
okay.
I need to leave an inch headspace.
Correct.
Oops. That should be enough when they shake themselves down. I'm Henry and she's Irene, and we've just finished canning potatoes.
Yep. All we have to do now is wait for the start to steam. Then we let it steam for 10 minutes by the timer. Then as soon as it steam for 10 minutes, then we knock down the jiggler. We wait till it starts to jiggle. And as soon as it starts to jiggle, we time it for 35 minutes.
And then we're done.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you want to. Because
we're going to be doing lots more stuff.
Yeah, I started off plumbing outside this morning. Irene was out in the greenhouse. Mm-hmm. Irene realized that we had these potatoes I needed to finish processing. So it was lunchtime. We haven't had lunch yet.
I'm starved.
Time to eat lunch.
Yeah.
We'll talk with you later.
Bye.
Bye. But wait, what do you do with them? I like to fry them up. I use a large pot, heat some oil in it, and then I put the potatoes in after I've rinsed them off and patted dry with paper towels. You want to be careful about moisture going into the oil because it will boil over. Or you could use them for potato salad. Just taste the potatoes first to decide whether or not you like the taste or not. Or you could use them in soups and stews. Or you could use them for mashed potatoes. It's only limited by your imagination. Thanks for watching.